Hello everybody and welcome back to another vlog. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody rock and rolling? Guess what came? I can't show you. My new shoes! So you guys, my new shoes came. Dun da 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 la 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 la. Shamaya mahumaka laka sikala. Muakatika laka. Somaya ya oh oh ya ya yo. Damn, these are soft. Wow. I have a feeling that I'm going to use these for a long time. That's one. And that's two. These look so comfy. Just gonna take the little cups out. They have a lot of support. Guys, what do y'all think? I think these shoes look really sexy. They're so light. I may have to wear my special socks with these because I want these to last a long time, and they have a little air bubble too, which is kind of cool. Little air bubble. So, yeah, these are really cool, guys. I think these are really cool, and I think these are give me my new Urban Exploring shoes. And if you guys didn't know, this part's like rough, which is really cool. So yeah, guys, those are my new shoes. Hopefully you guys like them. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned for our vlogs, and tell your friends, and that's all.